absolute honor and pleasure. Wow, honor and pleasure for our next session. I am ready to introduce, and trust me, this is the moment where everything shifts. This experience is all about unlocking your powerful presence and unapologetic, authentic expression, because being an empowered woman isn't about shrinking to fit the room. It is about owning it. It is about walking in with confidence. Syempre, through dynamic hands-on strategy and live demonstrations, of course, you are able to learn about presence today. Ito na. Are we all ready? Get ready, take notes, raise your hands, lift your voice, and use your voice. This, most importantly, claim your spotlight today in our event, The Becoming with Juicy Cologne. Kaya naman, palakpakan po natin our first guest speaker for today, Jo Del Pilar!
Wow, thank you naman, Miss Ayana. Hello, thank you so much. Wow, hello beautiful ladies. It's nice to finally see everybody here. Hello naman, SM Dasmariñas. Wow, feeling concert, no? But I'm glad, ladies, thank you everybody for joining me today. Hello po sa mga nasa taas sa atin dyan, no? So you guys are also welcome to listen to us. So yes, my name is Jo Del Pilar, and I'm excited to tell you guys or go through the story of becoming women, di ba? So I think it's very important that more than you guys see me here on stage, it's also important na makilala nyo kung sino ako. Kasi I take it that I think most of you guys, di ba, gusto nyo before kayo makinig to someone on stage, gusto nyo medyo kilala nyo sila, di ba? So, of course, we will be doing that today. So, eto, question muna to all of our ladies here and to everybody here in SM Dasmariñas. Show of hands doon sa mga ladies and gents natin na mga nag-post sila ng content, photo, or video, pero within less than 5 minutes, dinelete na. Show of hands. Show of hands. Wala. Ayan, it's okay. It's okay, kasi kahit ako din, di ba? So we have moments where we post a photo, we post videos, and then we think to ourselves, ano kayang iisipin ng ibang tao? Ano kayang iisipin ng magulang ko? What is my dad going to say? Ano kayang sasabihin ng kaibigan ko if I started to post get ready with me videos or fit checks ko today? Diba? We all have that in common today. So, because ako rin, I also started that way. Pagka-post ko, dinelete ko kagad because I feel like parang hindi pa ako ready to show this part of myself online. And I want to talk to you girls about that today. So, it's important to let you guys know where I started. I started in radio. So I started as a radio DJ, and my first radio station is Mellow 94.7. Naalala ko pa yung hook niyan. Paano ba to? Mellow 94.7, sounds good. Yan, yung pa yung tagline yan. So I was very young. I was in my early 20s. I was speaking on radio. It was something that I really, really loved to do. And this part, I am a very, very private person. There's a part of us that we don't want a lot of people to know. Automatic public ka. Automatic naririnig ka ng mga tao on the radio, wherever they go. So I had to get into a talk to myself na, okay, medyo public personality na tayo. We have to put our walls a little bit down. And then I stumbled into my second radio station, which is Jam 88.3. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this station, pero it's more of like alternative music siya, more on our indie music, ganyan. This one naman, Jam 88.3, taught me the power of connection. Mas dito ako natutong hey, let me post myself na nasa gym ako today. Let me post myself na nag-grocery shopping ako today. Dito ko natutunan yon that connection builds a huge power between us. Na, ay okay, ito pala si Miss Jo, hala, nag-grocery pala siya sa SM Dasmariñas. Di ba? Or nagja-gym pala siya ng ganitong oras, or she's also struggling the way that I do. And that's where I found myself at Jam 88.3. And of course, my last radio station, which is as of late, is Q Radio 105.1. This time, mas kilala ko na sarili ko. Kasi the other two radio stations, hindi kayo pwedeng magtagalog. Hindi pwede. Because, of course, just like any other brand, may branding kasi sila. So, hindi ka pwedeng magtagalog at all. In Q Radio taught us to connect even more. Mag-Taglish ka. Go! Kaya natuto na si Ate Jo mag-Taglish, no? Kasi before, sobrang straight English talaga eh. But this one, I really felt a sense of who Jo is, who I am, and the very epitome of who you are looking at today. Because this radio station taught me the power of connection through my co-DJs. Ayan ang aking mga mababait na co-DJs. Nako. But I'm glad to have gone through all of these stations because each of those has taught me something beautiful today. So, a lot of those, of course, let's talk about the very first video that my life changed. So, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this video.
Masama ang tao eh. Gagawin ko.
No, you're not gonna do anything. Wala ka man lang gagawin. Yung wala ako poprotektahan.
Siyempre may presumption of innocence, pero kung sinasabi mo na sa akin na nakapatay, eh, masama kang tao.
Hindi nga. Kaya nga, ano nga
Siyempre,
gagawin?
presumption of innocence.
What does that mean?
Ibig sabihin, hanggat hindi ka napapatunayan sa court of law na may ginawa kang krimen, sa mata dapat ng tao, ikaw ay inosente.
Hindi mo ako pagtatanggol?
Yun na nga yun!
Hindi mo ako tutulong. Paano kapag may
Ipagtatanggol kita. As much as possible, tatanungin natin yung facts, di ba? Alamin natin kung bakit ka nakapatalay natin. Nag-self-defense ko. Hindi kung self-defense,
Hindi
justifying
naman kita-
yun. Oh.
Hindi mo ako tutulungan itago yung katawan?
Ano itago yung katawan? Di nakakasama ako. Ano?
So this is I'm not familiar, I'm not sure if nakita niyo tong video na to some years back. Tagal na nito, this was 2022. And this is proof that something that you enjoy, something so casual, something so natural to us, can spiral your life into who you are seeing now. So this video went so viral, siguro mga around 19 million views siya nung time na yun. And this very video changed my life and yung now fiancé ko. So what am I trying to teach you here? That yes, it's okay to start from something as natural, as something so candid, and then later on, you'll figure out who you want to become as content creators or as advertising if you want to end up in advertising or wherever you want to land in. And of course, this video was just the start of trying to figure out who Jo was. In the beginning of my content creator journey, I had started this journey with my now fiancé. As we'd like to call each other Bear. Yan, dyan kami, yan yung aming tawagan. So during this time, it was a love story that a lot of people were looking at. And might I say na syempre, no, kilala ko na yung sarili ko niyan, but not as much as I have grown throughout the years. So some of these videos, no need to play naman now for that. I was able to go through social commentary. Ayan. What is social commentary? Ito yung mga moments where we want to create content, but you have to figure out what you want to talk about. Show of hands naman to the ladies who love talking about makeup. O, diba? And we all have something in common, of course. I love talking about makeup too. But we all have something in common, but also there's a nuance in that. Ano po ibig sabihin nun? Yung isa, mahilig siya sa makeup. She gets to talk about get ready with me. But the other content creator talks about makeup too. Pero siya, she talks about the ingredients. Di ba? So, ayan. So, I was able to talk about social commentary. Ibig sabihin, I talk about politics. I talk about friendships now. I talk about taboo, Filipino taboo. For example, in this one video from years back, I talked about politics. And then, of course, I found myself in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is where I found my balance. So each of these businesses came from a different chapter. Na-apply ko lahat ng natutunan ko throughout the years, through every person that I have met throughout the years. And this one, mas na-accept ko na that we all can be public, but we can also be private at the same time. Yes? Agree? Agree kayo doon? Diba? So we can talk about makeup, pero we can not talk about our relationships. We can talk about our lives, pero at the same time, if hindi tayo, if we don't know much rather, or medyo touchy subject sa atin ang politics, then it's okay. As long as you know your intention, you know the responsibility you have in politics, by all means, di ba? So this one, mas natutunan ko to become accountable sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. And we can all do the same thing. Now, I know I've been talking about myself for the last 10 minutes, pero ang gusto ko is mas makilala kayong lahat. Now, let's talk about you. Enough about me. Feeling ko kilala nyo naman ako by now. Let's do something fun. Let's do something fun. Ang gagawin natin is gonna be so fun, so don't worry, I will be here naman. We will be doing a game in just a bit para lang to prepare everybody on here. But first, before that, I want to remind everybody who's wanting to do content for quite a while, pero medyo may hesitation. Show of hands nga. Don't be shy, ha? Sa mga gusto mag-content, pero medyo shy pa. So, sobrang shy nila, walang mga kamay. Walang mga kamay. Ayun, may nakita ko dito. And that's fine. That's okay. I'd like to think that the moment that we confront ourselves na shy tayo, now we want to do these things, is a step rather to becoming, or rather knowing ourselves more. So, for content, I'd like you guys to take note of these. Maybe you may know them, baka alam nyo na, or baka hindi pa. And for everybody who's here at SM Dasmariñas, if gusto nyo mag-content, gusto nyo mag-vlog, gusto nyo mag-post on YouTube, Facebook, and on TikTok, here are a couple of things that I've learned throughout the years. You are a pattern. Pansin nyo, when you're online, and let's say may nakita kayong kilala nyo, or celebrity, na madalas bang naaalala nyo sila sa pangalan? Pag meron ako mga nakikitang content creator, for example, meron akong isang favorite creator, ganito siya. Hulaan nyo kung sino to, ah. Good morning! Andito po tayo ngayon sa Japan. Ah, di ba? So most of us, sometimes di natin nakikilala, di natin naaalala yung name, but we know of them, of how they introduce themselves. Sino pa ba? Sino pa bang mga kilala ko? Of course, one of your favorites who will also be joining us here on stage, Honey Daily. Yeah. Oh, diba? Yeah, so she's behind. She'll be joining us in just a bit. So you are a pattern. Your audience remembers your intros, your music, your tone, your diction, and your delivery. How you deliver things, kung paano mo sabihin, kung paano mo ikwento, how your intro is, diba? So yan, that's one thing to take note. Another thing is repetition. Kung paulit-ulit mo siyang ginagawa, mas maaalala ng tao. Diba? So yun yung mga naaalala ko. Yes. Okay. So, how about this? Let's do something real quick. Let's go on to the game, kahit mabilisan lang tayo. So, let's head on to our next game. Let's talk about you, ladies. Mag-ano naman tayo? Quick icebreaker for today. Ayan. So, what we're going to do is we are going to choose one word from this bowl, one word lang, and then 20 seconds I'd like you guys to tell a story based from that one word. Ganun lang. Very simple. And I'd like to call on 2 volunteers on stage. Ayan. Sino kaya yung mga volunteers natin dyan? Hello, hello everybody. Sino kaya? Let's try it out with me. I think this is a very beautiful moment to share the stage with me. So super easy lang. Calling on 2 KOLs, 2 of our guests on stage, please. Hello. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Nina po.
Nina. O, palakpakan naman natin si Nina. Yan. Yes, please come here. Join me here on stage. Hello, what's your name?
Shari po.
Sorry?
Shari.
Shari. Give a hand for Shari. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick one word from this bowl and then magtetell ako ng story based on this word. Ito, hindi ko alam yung word na to, ha? Baka sabihin nyo, luto. Okay, we have 20 seconds on the clock. Basahin ko muna. Okay. Game. Ang hirap nitong word. 20 seconds on the clock, please. Thank you so much. Okay. So my word is storm. Dati, nung bata ako, there's a very fond memory that my mom and I used to share. I lived in Caloocan before, and I remember we used to live in this very humble home. And ang naalala ko dito, umuulan siya. Sobrang lakas nung storm niya, sis, nahulog ako sa kama. Ayan. And time is up. Ganon lang, okay? Ganon lang. Ganon lang yung gagawin natin, o di ba? Huwag kayong kabahan. Kasi I did it too, and I'm pretty sure you can do it. Ano, give a hand naman! O, di ba? Okay. Game. Sige. Pick one word from the bowl. Yan. Game. I'm excited. Okay. That's the challenge. So, what is your word?
My word is becoming.
Timer starts now.
Ang kwento ko dito is paano ako naging confident in myself. I started very shy and sa pagpasok ko ng college, I was getting to know everyone and I was thinking, oh, maybe they don't care. Maybe it's okay to be myself. Maybe I can speak in public. Maybe it's all right for everyone because it's myself and I can become what I want to become whenever I just want to. Hindi kailangan ng judgment ng iba. It's just you and it's my story of becoming myself.
Thank you so much. O, di ba? Ang galing. Congratulations. Wow. Come here. Si ano naman? Si Madam. Choose your word. Sige. Okay. What's your word?
Parang hirap naman sundan. Okay, go. Ang word ko po ay chat. Okay, yung word ko ay chat. Actually, sa society natin, ang sinasabi ng iba na dapat lalaki yung palaging magpa-first move. Pero meron kasi akong crush na guy sa school namin. Tapos sabi ko parang okay lang naman na mag-first chat ako, di ba? So ayun, parang super happy ako na tinake ko yung opportunity na yun kasi ngayon 2 years na kami and I'm happy na nasa healthy relationship ako. Ayun lang. So, okay lang na mag-first chat ang babae. Hindi yun kababaan natin. Ayun lang.
Yan, thank you. I believe that so much. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining me here on stage. Grabe, give a hand naman for these 2 beautiful ladies on stage. Maraming salamat, girls. Thank you so much to our beautiful ladies. So what did that teach us today? That if you speak with intention, if you speak of something that you know of, na alam mo, hindi ka mahihiya. You're not going to be shy. You're not gonna hold back of what you know. So that's something that I really, really am proud of. Thank you, girls, for joining me on stage. Palakpakan naman natin sila. So I hope that you guys were able to learn so much from today, and I'm very grateful. If you have any questions for me, of course, you can send me messages. Magchismisa naman tayo, girls. Let's please message me, ha? So thank you again, ladies, for today. My name is Jo Del Pilar. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you, guys. Good afternoon.